Okay, let's do a quick bonus video. How to generate them in Grok. Quite simple. First thing we need to do is go to grok.com. Then we go to Imagine. But first things what we need to do is go to Settings. We go into Settings, go into Behavior, where it says Enable Automatic Video Generation. Click it off because we don't want that, because it's a pain. Okay, using the prompt, we just need to generate some videos. So what we're going to do now is go to our little prompt sheet. Basically, we've got a prompt here that we go for ChatGPT. Create a 60-second engaging Disney Pixar 3D story, 2 main characters. You can put whatever you want in here for this bit here and keep the structure like this. Change the genre if you want. So then we go to ChatGPT. Basically, we'll put that one in there. It's come back with Luna, The Rock, whatever. This is just for testing. It's basically give us a hook, how to generate it with all 5 seconds for each video, because each video is 5 seconds with Grok, I believe. So once we've done that, good story, yeah, be nice to ChatGPT, don't get much. Next time you'll provide me with a prompt from each scene, but make sure it's connected to every story. So basically what we're asking it for here is to make sure the prompt goes scene to scene, nice and smoothly. So as you can see, we've got here a crumbling, scene 1, crumbling bridge. So all we need to do now is take this, I'll just take it all, okay, we're back. I forgot where I was. So basically we've got the prompts, so what we need to do is then put them into Grok. So I've done that with first one, put the prompt in, and let it generate, and we got this. So how do we keep it into a consistent character? Well, as we did before, we didn't put it on auto. So what we do then is we go to the end of the screen, copy video from frame, get rid of that, paste it in there, then go to our prompt sheet, get the second prompt, and put it in there, and that's it. Did it earlier, so we've got this first one that messed up, but if we go from that one to that one, it follows through the sequence and then follows through the sequence later on with all the prompts. As you can see, we're keeping the consistent character. Of course that image didn't go in, it messed this one up, but there we go. How to I forgot my wording. Keep it consistent. There we go. So all you would do then is just go through, copy all them individually until you've got them all done. Once you've got them all done, just edit it. Obviously they do have sound. They keep the theme with the sound as well, if you notice. Let's just play that again and I'll stop talking. Yep, so it's kept the music theme going out through. So here's one way to make quick, short videos. Anyone can do it, and then you just upscale the video and download it. Download button there. So we'll just go to here, like that one there. Let's delete that one so we don't need it. delete video, yeah. So then it's just got these in order. The good thing about Grok is if you mess it up, let's go to this one here, you can redo it. If you click into there, it will just do it as normal. If you don't like the video, just redo it and it'll do it again using the same process. Get to the end of the video, make sure it's to the end, so get the end frame, copy the end frame, video frame, and then bosh, just keep repeating that. So the 5 seconds of video, aren't there? So you're going to do that at least 8 times, 10 times, 10 times 5, 50 seconds, or 12 times. And then you've got a 1 minute video you can put on wherever, or do it for whatever. You can do it in any genre, to be fair. I did some saucy contact here, so if I was to do this now, I believe if I did it right, it just creates naughty videos that I probably can't put up. This was the prompt. I used to do all that, and it just created videos. No man. Okay, that's that video. I'll edit that bit out because it's irrelevant. I'll leave the prompt, which is here, or unless you just want to copy and paste it, leave it there, so you can just screen capture it and then copy it into ChatGPT and get it done. Happy days, easy peasy. See you next time. Okay, once we've done the editing, we've got the videos, we need to create some text to speech. So we've come to Google Studios. You just go to text to speak. Depending what you need to be on single, just pick a voice. Let's have a listen to that one. Any voice, I'm not too bothered. No API. Then we just put it in there. In the reference, you could ask it for a reference style. Read aloud a warm and friendly tone. Then just run it, and it will make you an audio overlay for it. If there's 2 speakers, you just pick 2 speakers and name the speakers accordingly. Just pause the video there. Make sure. Okay, and that's done. So basically, if you don't want the title in it, just delete the title. It's got the timings there for you, which makes it.
The last light of Everfall. The forest goes silent. Lights die one by one.
So that's just picking any voice. You can do whatever you want. Then we just download that. Now you've got your file. This will be a starting point for your camera or whatever studio you're using. It's a mobile one, so we'll do a mobile one here. What we'll do first though is add audio, upload, file, be in downloads, or it should be. Is it uploaded? Come out there. Download it that way. And what will happen then is it'll give you the timeline to put your videos on. Although that seems to be.
Aaron shields Lumo and push it.
Yeah. So we'll add the audio. Where's my uploads gone? You know what? Uploads, there we are. Wondered where they'd gone then. just drop that on the file. I'll just put it in there and we'll just add it that way. So how long is this audio? Goes off quite a bit, doesn't it? Obviously it's only doing that because we haven't got the videos in there yet, because I haven't downloaded the videos. So then you just edit it and time it and do it that way. Perfect. Okay, we've just downloaded one of the videos, just showing you how you edit it.
Last light of Everfall.
What you would do with the music though, there you could, I think you can make it quieter. Comment, load, delete, duplicate, paste, copy. Sure, there's a volume somewhere. Well, you can detach audio from there. Volume it. Put it down there, or can delete it, whichever you like.
The forest goes silent. Light.
But as you see there, we've got a bit of background music.
The last light of Everfall. The forest goes silent. Light. The last.
Make it less, make it louder, whichever. So you can put the volume there. Fade it in. Volume. Let's see how loud that one is.
The last light of Everfall. The forest goes silent.
So then that's how you put the video up there. Then you just put the other one up, put the other one up, put the other one up until you've got a full video. There you go. Happy days. I thought I'd add that to it. See you next time.